the fascinating ties between physics and philosophy. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into something truly mind-blowing: the fascinating ties between physics and philosophy. It's a connection that's been around for centuries, and honestly, it's something I've been wrestling with myself for a while now. I remember the first time I heard about wave-particle duality. Wow. My brain just couldn't wrap around it. It felt like a philosophical riddle disguised as physics. And that's exactly what we're going to explore: how these two seemingly different fields are actually two sides of the same coin. Think about it. Philosophy grapples with the big questions. What is reality? What is consciousness? Do we have free will? And physics, especially modern physics, keeps bumping into these same questions. It's like they're both trying to solve the same puzzle, just from different angles. For example, quantum mechanics, with its weirdness and probabilities, throws a wrench into our classical understanding of reality. Suddenly, things aren't so black and white. This directly impacts how we think about free will, determinism, and even the nature of existence itself. Let's take the universe, for instance. Cosmology, the study of the universe's origin and evolution, is practically intertwined with philosophical questions about the beginning of time, the nature of space, and whether there are other universes. It's truly awe-inspiring. And when you start thinking about the implications of the Big Bang or the possibility of a multiverse, well, it's enough to make your head spin. I remember discussing this with a friend once, and we were just amazed at how much we don't know. It's humbling and exciting at the same time. Now, let's talk about consciousness. This is a big one. How does consciousness arise from physical matter? Is it just a complex byproduct of brain activity, or is there something more to it? Some physicists, like Roger Penrose, have even proposed that quantum mechanics might play a role in consciousness. It's a controversial idea, but it highlights just how closely these fields are linked. It's important to acknowledge that this is an area of ongoing research and debate. We don't have all the answers, and that's okay. The journey of exploration is what matters. And what about free will? If the universe is governed by deterministic laws of physics, does that leave any room for genuine choice? This has been a philosophical debate for centuries, and quantum mechanics adds another layer of complexity. The probabilistic nature of quantum events seems to suggest that there's an element of randomness in the universe. But does that randomness translate into free will? It's a question that philosophers and physicists are still grappling with today. The point is, physics and philosophy are constantly informing and challenging each other. Physics raises new questions about the nature of reality, and philosophy provides the conceptual tools to explore those questions. It's a beautiful dance between empirical observation and abstract thought. And I truly believe that by embracing both perspectives, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe we inhabit. So, what do you think? Are you as fascinated by this connection as I am? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more explorations into the mind-blowing world of science and philosophy. I've also put a link to my website down below, where you can find more articles and resources on these topics. Go check it out.